Whoa! Wibbly wobbly. He's made a good job of that. So that's Jet 2 from Mahon, Boeing 737-300. He's down safe and well. I wonder if we're going to get many go-arounds today. Whoa! Whoa, come on, get it down. There we go. Yeah, excellent job. Echo India India Juliet Mike, it's one of the newer ones. Not had any go-arounds yet. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, he's got it. Whoa, here we go. Go around number one. Mind the tree, mate. Oh, not looking good, not looking good. He's going around. So this could be a first lost aircraft of the afternoon. Whoa, he's really fighting it. Doing well. Looking good. Yeah, no problem. Whoa, a bit of a bouncy one. He's really fighting this one. Nope, there goes the smoke. And he's gone around. So he'll be off to Manchester by the looks of things. Whoa, looks a rough old ride. Looking good. Ooh, got it. Well done. Hey, wibble wobble. Yes, bosh. He's got it down though. Well done, Ryanair. Behind the tree. Oh, he's wobbling a lot now. He's really crabbing into the wind. Look at this. Fantastic. Come on, stick it. Oh, yes, big bounce. He's down. Got that down very early, actually. Looks like he might roll to the end. I think this is going to go around. He is. He was drifting away. You could tell he was a lot further away from that tree. Around he goes. Ooh, yeah. Nice to see it, Leeds. going around, didn't like it. Wow. Down safe and well this time. Excellent job. Little embryo. Very, very difficult to hold the camera still when you're zoomed in so heavily. Slightest movement on your hand and the camera's wobbling more than the planes. This guy's fighting the wind, he's determined to do it. Whoop, wibble, wobble, wibble. Excellent job. They've got it down.